Speak Up English, the key to success.
Hey, Emma. Want to know some tips on how to improve your English speaking skills?
Absolutely, Alex. I've been struggling with it lately. Got any magic tricks?
Well, no magic, but some cool tips. First, you gotta practice daily. Even if it's just talking to yourself.
Talking to myself? Won't that make me look crazy? Laughs.
Laughs maybe, but it works. Try narrating your day or talking about your plans.
Interesting. What else?
Find a language partner. Someone you can practice with regularly.
That sounds fun. Where do I find one?
There are apps like Tandem and HelloTalk. You can chat with native speakers or other learners.
Cool. I'll check those out. Any other tips?
Yeah, record yourself speaking. Then listen and see how you sound.
Oh, I don't know about that. I hate hearing my own voice.
I get it, but it helps. You can spot mistakes and improve your pronunciation.
Okay, I'll give it a try. What about watching movies or TV shows?
Great idea! Watch with subtitles, then without M. It helps with understanding and pronunciation.
Any recommendations on what to watch?
Start with something you love. Maybe a favorite movie or series. It makes learning more enjoyable.
All right, I'll start with Friends. I've heard it's good for learning English.
Perfect choice. The language is casual and there's lots of everyday vocabulary.
Thanks, Alex. These tips are awesome.
No problem, Emma. Let's catch up tomorrow and see how it goes.
Sounds good. See ya tomorrow.
See ya.
Hey, Alex. Tried some of those tips you gave me.
Nice. How'd it go?
Not bad. Talking to myself was weird at first, but it's kind of fun now.
Told ya. Did you find a language partner yet?
Yeah, I'm chatting with someone from Australia on Tandem. Their accent is so different.
That's awesome. Accents can be tricky, but it's great practice.
For sure. We've been exchanging voice messages. Helps a lot with pronunciation.
That's great to hear. Did you try recording yourself?
Yup. It's cringy, but helpful. I noticed I mix up V and W sounds sometimes.
common mistake. Just keep practicing. You'll get the hang of it.
Thanks for the encouragement. Oh, and I watched Friends with subtitles, then without.
How was that?
Really fun. I caught more phrases and slang. Plus, it's hilarious.
Yeah, Friends is classic. Any favorite scenes?
The one with Ross's leather pants. Laughs so funny.
That's a good one. Keep watching, it'll help a lot.
Definitely. Any other tips?
Try thinking in English. It's tough, but it'll make speaking more natural.
How do I do that?
Start with simple stuff. Like, when you see an apple, think apple in English, not your native language.
Got it. I'll start practicing that too. Thanks, Alex.
Anytime, Emma. You're doing great.
Appreciate it. Let's chat again soon.
For sure. Catch you later.
Bye. Hey, Alex. Guess what?
What's up, Emma?
I joined an English speaking club.
That's awesome. How's it going?
It's been great. We meet online every week and talk about different topics.
Nice. What kind of topics?
Last time, we talked about travel. Everyone shared their dream destinations.
Sounds fun. Did you share yours?